Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pickle green color, only ways. Use fresh cucumbers and blanch them briefly to lock in chlorophyll, then shock in ice water to stop cooking. Make a brine of vinegar, water, salt, and a small pinch of baking soda to raise pH slightly. For extra green, add a few crushed spinach leaves or a dash of liquid chlorophyll before sealing jars. Process jars according to safe canning time. Overcooking and acidic brines can turn pickles dull or brown, so manage time and pH carefully. Blanch cucumbers for 1 to 2 minutes and cool immediately in ice water to preserve chlorophyll. Use white vinegar in the brine, but balance acidity with a small pinch of baking soda to raise pH slightly. Pack jars tightly, remove air bubbles, always follow tested pickling recipes to ensure both color and safety. Salt quality and hardness of water can affect color, so use non-iodized pickling salt and filtered water when possible. For firm, green pickles add a few grape leaves or a pinch of tannic leaves, or use calcium chloride for crunch if desired. Keep jars in cool, dark storage after processing to maintain color. Taste periodically and refrigerate after opening to extend texture and consistently more vibrant green appearance for weeks.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.